Welcome to Layn Tik Tok University. My name is Conrad Layn. This is about Turo Advice. There's many different types of Turo advice I can give you, but the best advice I can actually give you from my experience is make sure you really do your best to message the guests through the Turo app, not the phone. And if you do message them through the cell phone, that's fine because you do have their number. I get it. But if you're gonna do that anyway, just message them through the Turo app, or at least do both. If you really feel like you want to text them, okay, text them all you want, but make sure you also send the same, copy and paste the same thread into Turo messaging. That way they can't deny it. Maybe you sent them something, because what you want to do is you want everything documented, so if something goes wrong, goes south or goes sour, you have proof. Oftentimes Turo guests will not message them through the Turo app for whatever reason, and they'll message them primarily through their phone, and you can't usually use that for proof because it's he said, she said. But if you message through the app, there's servers there, it's documented, you can't lie, it was there, they saw it, and if they didn't see it, it was there. Do your best to document and send a message through the Turo app. That's the best piece of advice I could say. Another piece of advice, take as many pictures as possible. I'll say at minimum 50 pictures, but I try to take about 100 to 150 pictures. But if you can't do that many, at least 50 pictures. That's another bonus tip. There's many I could go on forever, but those are two top tips. Message through the app so it's documented, so you stay out of trouble, so you're not lied on. Second, make sure you take as many pictures as possible, at minimum 50 pictures, so you can document, because if you don't have enough pictures, even if someone smokes in your car, for example, and we don't show that your car was clean, you lost that claim. Now your car smells like smoke, you can't even get a fee for it, for example. Or maybe they dirtied your car, or maybe they brought it back with low gas. If you don't have a picture of the gas where it was in the beginning of the trip, tough luck, Chuck. Same thing for claims. If your car wasn't taken, if you didn't take a picture in the beginning, you just lost the claim. So do your absolute best to make sure you take as many pictures as possible, at minimum 50, if not more. Like, subscribe, share. That's Turo Advice. Carly out.